Newsbite, Duterte's arrest sparks legal battle and public outcry. Good evening, I'm Alfred Grant, bringing you the latest on this breaking development. In a historic and highly controversial move, former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has been arrested and taken into the custody of the International Criminal Court, ICC. Duterte's lawyers have now filed an urgent petition to the Philippine Supreme Court, demanding his immediate return to Manila. The former leader was flown to The Hague on Tuesday night, where he will face charges of crimes against humanity related to his war on drugs, a brutal campaign that activists claim resulted in the deaths of up to 30,000 people. His plane is expected to land in the Netherlands at 10:59 local time. Vice President Sara Duterte, his eldest daughter, has also departed for Amsterdam to assist in his legal defense, while Duterte's youngest daughter, Veronica, has accused the government of kidnapping her father. Meanwhile, human rights groups and families of victims have celebrated the arrest, calling it a major step toward justice. Carlos Conde, a senior researcher at Human Rights Watch, described the development as unprecedented in Southeast Asian history. He added that victims who had lost faith in the local justice system now see hope in the ICC's intervention. The National Union of People's Lawyers, which represents the families of victims, called Duterte's arrest a victory for the poor and marginalized, comparing it to David versus Goliath. On Tuesday, a local coffee shop, Silingan Coffee, even offered discounted drinks in support of victims and their families. However, Duterte's supporters argue that the ICC no longer has jurisdiction over him, as the Philippines withdrew from the Rome Statute in 2019. The ICC, however, maintains that it still holds power over alleged crimes committed before the withdrawal. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has weighed in on the arrest, stating that it was carried out at the request of the ICC and in full compliance with Interpol. He denied any direct assistance from the Philippine government in executing the arrest. As legal battles begin and tensions rise, one key question remains: will Duterte stand trial, or will efforts to bring him back to the Philippines succeed? Stay with Newsbite as we continue to bring you the latest updates on this historic case. I'm Alfred Grant, and this is Newsbite, your trusted source for fast, fearless, and factual news.